we're definitely gonna need extra reinforcements. So.
Helipod launch initiated.
Oh, you
considering
hush.
anything else.
Listen to him, Spiral. He has no confidence in us.
You're correct.
Damn. At least he's honest. At least
I'm kidding.
You can do it. You can do it. It's one of the best Adam Sandler movies of all time. Oh shit, we're in a fuck. Oh, I did not know we completely switched to the bugs.
Yeah, that's what you asked for. Level 10 Hive Lord.
Bro, I was not paying any attention.
It's literally what you
Oh my
wanted,
God.
bitch. What are you whining about, huh?
There was no whining.
Yeah, the Hive Lords ain't
I
even
got
here.
this.
Yeah. I
got this.
Mag's empty.
I'm gonna raise no bitch, son. Oh, we landed on an objective. Alright. Oh, what the fudge?
What's going on?
Of course I do. Bro, he came out of nowhere.
Came out of a spawning hole.
Requesting orbital.
I got it.
Mag's empty. Sending in an eagle.
There's another
Calling out
Titan.
a vehicle.
Oh my god. Oh yeah, that one. That one
Calling in
ran me over.
reinforcements.
Giggity.
And another Bio Titan. Hell yeah. Oh, I just got run over by a fucking
Reinforcing.
charger.
I saw that.
Yeah.
Calling in
I probably should have
reinforcements.
looked around before I reloaded a station.
Oh my god, he's coming at me.
Mission at 10 minutes remaining.
Rare sample acquired.
Did I do that?
Oh fuck, I thought I had impact grenades on. Son of a bitch.
Oh my god, I fucking hate that shit. I hate how easy it is to slide slip on the sand. I literally slid right into an impaler's claw. That was
Come on. You can survive this, Helldiver.
ridiculous.
You motherfuckers. Both of those sons of bitches ran out of my fucking bomb range.
Requesting sentry.
Damn, now I wish I would have bought my robot in here. My fucking mech.
Oh no, it's not worth it here. Oh, Hive Lord. Ground's rumbling.
That's what I'm saying. I wish I would have brought it, because all this bullshit.
No, it takes too long to come back. It takes like 10 fucking minutes to come back, so it's
Nah, you call it in when it's useful.
Found something. Marking location. Rare sample acquired.
there he is, right over here.
Yeah, where is it? Where is
Still
it?
underground
I
though,
wanna see
it's
it.
coming towards y'all. It's here now. There you go, there's the big fat fuck. You have to shoot it between the scales and in the mouth.
Requesting sentry. Calling down a sentry. Calling down a sentry.
Oh wait, who's
A
that?
tunnel breach.
That's a new person. Who's that? That's Spiral. I'm just gonna go with 17. Orange is 17.
What did I do wrong?
Oh. Nah, I'm just trying to make this easy to identify everybody.
Cap just killed me.
Ready to liberate.
What the fuck is going on? I don't even know where I'm at right now.
That's why I love it.
Deploying supply
That's how you know we're playing it correctly, is because we're lost.
Ah!
Oh, what the fuck? Oh,
I don't even have my heavy weapon anymore. I need my robot. I don't like this. I got crushed by a charger and vomited on at the same time. That was kinky.
quit complaining. Just have some fun already.
There was no complaining here.
Yeah. You're right. You're right. I'm just,
Tagging map. South.
you know, losing my mind over here. Like,
I got you, bro. I got you, bro. I got your back.
Calling down a sentry. Requesting air support.
Sending in a 50-kilogram bomb your way. Back up.
500 kilogram, you mean, motherfucker? Yeah.
Yeah, that thing. I only killed 4. That's disappointing.
Yeah, for all you know, it could have been 4 charges.
That's valid. I think I at least got 2. I've seen 2 of them chasing you for a second there.
Yeah, there's one of them.
How did that even blow me up?
It's damage
I got a
radius
charger
is
on me.
fucking huge.
Oh, I feel like I wasn't close enough to that to blow me up. That's some bullshit.
Thank you.
Oh shit! Bro, I'm like
Big
right up
bitches
this
here.
thing's
Big old fat
asshole.
foot.
Air sample acquired.
That's the best place to be, big guy.
Oh,
I wish I was you.
Requesting sentry. Calling down a
All my
sentry.
bullets are just bouncing off. Yep, he killed
Calling
me.
in reinforcements.
He ate
See, and
me. He straight ate me.
you were making fun of me for not having any confidence. See what I'm talking about now? This is why I brought extra reinforcements. Like,
Follow me.
Reloading.
Marking location.
You know what I say we do this again, and we all bring pots.
this is hot.
We have to stay in unison, because I feel like that's how I got my arm blown up last time.
Loaded it up.
Yeah, we weren't in sync. We were just kind of walking in front of each other, you know what I'm saying?
Well, didn't make I talking. You know what I mean, dude? I'm like fucking insane asylum right now. Like,
Calling down a sentry.
I need my heavy weapon. Calling down my sentry.
dude, watching an autocannon sentry take out a charger is just like, I don't even know. Ecstasy couldn't do better than that shit.
Nah, bro. You know, bro, this is a true story. The first time I tripped on acid, I was sitting by myself because everybody passed out, right? So I'm sitting by myself watching Family Guy. I went deaf, bro. I was like, what the fuck?
You sure you didn't just have the TV on mute?
No, dude. I went deaf. I was sitting there listening, watching the TV, and all of a sudden, I just couldn't hear it anymore. And I didn't have the remote and shit, so like, I didn't roll over on it. Cause I came in, and my ex at the time was asleep watching TV and had it on her nightstand. I straight went deaf, bro. Didn't hear shit. craziest thing that ever happened to me. I was terrified.
Out of ammo!
Oh, fuck. Oh, son of a bitch.
Requesting sentry!
I am totally out of
Calling down
ammo.
a sentry!
Oh my god.
Calling a bomb. Watch out, watch out. Back up, back up, back up. Reinforcements coming in. Oh, never mind. He already got you. Damn, I got 14 kills on that bomb.
Requesting advanced weaponry!
Hive load's coming back. He's back.
Yeah. Behind you. On your right, on your right. Behind us, behind us, behind us. He's right on us, he's right on us.
Right on it like Kitty on a bottle of baby oil.
He's got
Or the
3 more
Diddy on
holes
a
to
bottle
find.
of baby oil. Reload. Reload.
Dropping a pin.
Reload.
Southeast. 100
Reload.
meters.
Please reload. Fuck.
Take, never mind.
Reinforcing.
Cancel that.
Affirmative.
Spiral, it said you killed me, but
Calling
that
in
big old
supply.
bio-type took me out.
I got like that bio and then 3 of the big beetle looking things.
Destroyer's leaving in 52 seconds. Throw in trenches if you got them.
Shit.
Doesn't really
Fuck,
matter
yeah,
where,
yeah.
just having them is better than not.
Deploying in Gatling. Right behind you.
Go support S1.
S4. Got Gatling coming in behind you. Top of the ridge. Watch yourself. S1 also.
Shit, I don't have any stems. And
we got
oh, I
resupplies
see
up
the
here.
resupply,
Top of the
yeah,
ridge,
on the
top
map.
of the ridge.
Top of the ridge. Fuck.
Follow me.
Okay, I see him over
If I'm
there.
not mistaken.
Those ones are gone, it looks like.
Damn, they're far, they're
Southwest,
far. Never mind,
100
never
meters.
mind. That wasn't us. They weren't called.
Dropping a pin.
Yeah, there was nothing here when I started running over here.
Reinforcing.
Oh no, I tried right as I pulled my stratagems up to get you. Oh my
It's
god, and
okay.
then now the
That Hive Lord straight up squashed my ass.
yeah, and then it got me too.
It's okay. I got another little nug grounded up here.
Either I've become like totally desensitized to this game, or is this just like never mind.
Nah, bro.
Dude, the
hey,
Hive Lord
what's up?
spawned right on me.
I was gonna say, like, up until now, like, it seemed like it really didn't seem like level 10. Like, this doesn't seem much different from like a suicide mission. You know what I mean? Like,
I didn't
like 6 or
have
7.
like I didn't have enough shit to affect the Hive Lord. So like I want a mech cuz like I'm more comfortable in a mech doing that.
Yeah, I feel like if we
I've
all
seen
brought
like
a
that's
mech,
the
that
way to
would've
do
just-
it. That's what I'm saying. Like I've seen that's
you're
the way
kind
to
of
do
right.
it.
After playing a mission, if we all brought a mech, I don't think I'd need to bring the extra reinforcements.
Yeah. We just have to make sure to stay out of each other's way to not blow each other up. If that makes enough sense to everybody.
Oh, check for rare samples too, because occasionally there's a few rare samples around the extraction on these maps.
You guys are really quiet, Spiral and Skull.
I've been talking. Can you hear?
Maybe
Yeah,
because you're
I
doing
mean-
enough
I mean-
talking for all of us.
You're a little quiet.
Oh, I am in real life too.
Oh, get to the extraction. It's gonna be there in 4 seconds.
Maybe I need to turn my sound effects and stuff down low
Oh,
too.
did I disconnect? Oh, never mind. Never mind. You're moving.
Not you're
This is Pelican 1, preparing for touchdown.
yeah, he's like, I got you, bro.
You're in the team right now.
Yeah, that's
Fucking Rambo over here.
This is the first time that 2 of us have done this.
Another sample.
I appreciate you guys being so chill, by the way.
Extraction complete. Pelican 1 beginning ascent.
You know what? I'm gonna start telling you to fuck yourself more often now.
I mean, I just might if you hear my mic go real quiet.
Vengeance in time.
Nah, man, I had a rough week. So it's cool to run into some people that just want to have a good time.
Okay, since we just did like one of the easier missions, you want to do one of the harder missions now?
Alright. Everybody bring in mechs. And then full explosive list after that. Bet.
Yeah, you know what? I think, yeah, mech, and I'm definitely bringing the napalm strike again, and then instead of the,
I bet.
instead of the, I'm gonna bring like big sentries instead of just one big sentry. You know, because I brought the autocannon